Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday and it's cooking time. Hi guys, what I'm gonna cook today is this one, a hash brown and egg and bacon for my honey. My honey will only eat once a week bacon and bacon because bacon is too fatty. Hello guys, my husband changed his mind. He just wants to eat the hash brown, bacon and egg. Okay, I'll just cook. How many eggs, honey, do you want? You just want one egg and one slice of ham. Let's go. As you can see guys, we have 3 pots. 1, 2, 3. These pots, I will use this for the ham and egg. This one, I will use this for the hash brown. And this one, no, for the ham, and this one for the egg. Okay, let's turn on the oven. Okay, and everything is turned on. Oops, in a high one, medium. Okay, first I'm doing is this one. Put this in there. Next one is this one. I will cook egg with this. I will just stir this because it's stir. And the other one, I will put a little bit. I will use this for our ham as well as my egg too. Only one little piece of ham, but I cut it in half. Now, this one is like sunny side up, honey. This egg I will cook for my honey. He just wants sunny side up egg. The yellow yolk will be soft and the white is hard. Okay, let's go. Now let's flip it. Now, this time, let's do the egg. There you go. This is the other side. Slow down. keep cooking egg. Keep cooking. The ham looks like it's cooked. Yeah. Now let's turn off the thing. And let's continue cooking the egg. Okay, the egg is cooked now. Let's transfer the egg to the plate. Ready? The egg is going to the plate now. The egg is dripping. Alright. That's my honey's egg. The egg yolk is dripping, honey. But it's okay. The white yolk is cooked. Alright, let's continue to our hash brown. Yeah, let's move this here. Turn this off. Let's continue here. It's guys, as you can see, the hash brown still frozen, but let's continue until it will be turning brown. Miss Gemma is doing in slow motion, slowly. But now, of course, my favorite food is the oatmeal. I will make my oatmeal. Hey guys, in these little pots, I will put oatmeal. This one, this kind, the old-fashioned oatmeal, because there's no sugar in it. Well, it has sugar, but it's a natural sugar. I didn't put any. I don't wanna put any sugar, artificial sugar, because I don't like sweets. Guys, I'm gonna put this side, cook this on that side, and let's continue stirring the hash brown. It's almost, guys. I think I'm gonna eat egg, one piece of egg, but then the hard yolk. Stirring, more stirring. Until it brown. Okay. Guys, as you can see, my oatmeal is boiling and it's ready. Let's turn off the oven or the stove, and my oatmeal is done. Hi guys, as you can see, our hash brown is ready, and I will move that to the plates of my honey. Okay, right there. Put that in there. Like that. hash brown is ready. Now, I will give him a drink. He requested guys that don't make any natural juice because I wanna drink my orange. It break, honey. So now I'm gonna give him a juice, this kind. Right? This is the one. There you go, honey.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hi, honey. How do you like it?
Well,
Thank you, Jesus, for everything. Hi, guys. I'm gonna eat too, and this is what I'm gonna eat. An oatmeal, banana, 1 piece of banana, and a little bit of blueberries. Okay. Right, guys, it's time for us to eat, and I want to say goodbye to you and see you in my next video. And if you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell button so you'll be notified every time I will post a new video. Bye everyone, and have a good weekend.